Hello?
Hello,
Hello?
teacher.
Oh, Johnny! There's Johnny? Hello? Oh, there is a Sally.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Sally. Good evening. Welcome to my class. Okay, let's wait for the others. Johnny, you can enter now, Johnny. Oh, where are the rest? You can open your camera now. Hello? Oh, hello, Johnny. Nice to see you again, Johnny. Oh, welcome back. How are you today? Can you see me?
Happy.
Oh, you're happy. Yes, I'm happy too. I'm happy to see you again. Oh, hello, Sally. Okay, wait.
Hello,
I will
teacher.
make a group for our class. I will show this for Class Dojo. Class Dojo here. Oh, where is Jack and Mike? Can you see Jack and Mike? Okay, let's have a group. Can you see the picture? Our group name will be Move Makers. Okay. That will be the title of our group. Save. Okay, let's wait for Mike and Jack. Okay, here you are, Johnny. Okay, hello, Sally. Hello.
Teacher.
Yes, nice to meet you. Can you see me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Sally, that is your name, Sally. What is your surname? What is Sally?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this. I will register you to our group, Sally. Now let's add Johnny. How old are you, Sally?
I'm 9 years old.
Oh, you're 9 years old. Wow. Is this your first time to have
Yeah.
a movers class? Did you had already undergone in a starters class?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Who is your teacher? In
Is
starters.
Mary Faye.
Oh, is a Vietnamese teacher?
Yes.
Oh, okay, understand. So, why do you choose why do you choose foreign teacher, Sally?
Mm,
Why do you choose foreign teacher, or you don't have any idea? Wow, so cute. Your monsters are cute, Johnny. Oh, we need to have the other Johnny, not this Johnny, new Johnny. New Johnny. Mhm. Johnny. Okay, this Johnny, the new Johnny. Hello, Johnny. I don't know. Where is Mike? Can you see Mike? Where's
Yes.
Mike? Oh, hello, Johnny. Okay, this will be our team. Name of our team, Move Makers. Johnny and Sally. Johnny is already my student in starters. Now we are moving forward for our next lesson is movers. Now, before we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Luna. You can call me Teacher Luna. Hello, Mike. There you are, Mike. Oh my God,
Teacher.
Mike. Yes, Mike is also my student in
Teacher.
starters. Yes, I
Who
missed
is
you,
that?
Mike. Oh, that is our new classmate. That is your new classmate.
Who
Mike
is
and
that?
Johnny, meet Sally. Yes. Hello.
Hello, Sally.
Oh,
Hello,
that is
Johnny.
Mike. And this is our new student too, Johnny. Johnny is our new.
No,
Oh, he is old student.
yes,
Oh, yes. Mike and
me
Johnny.
too. Yeah,
Yes.
woman.
They have been my student in starters. Yes, you can call me Teacher Luna. And I have been teaching for almost 3 years. I handle any students like adults, kids, and all levels. I teach English language for 3 years, and most of my students are from China,
Teacher,
Vietnam, and
this
Japan.
is
That is, oh, hello, mommy. That is your mommy, Sally. Hello, mommy. Good evening.
huh? Hello, teacher.
Yes. Thank you, mommy, for having Sally in my class, and thank you for choosing me. Yes.
Yes.
I'm from Philippines, and I
Yes.
am a half Chinese. I'm a half Filipino, half Chinese, and I am a mother of a 5-year-old son.
Your son
Yes.
make Dino with Play-Doh is terrible.
Oh, yes. My son is playing and so messy right now. Okay, thank you so much, mommy. Okay, class, are you ready to have our first course, Fun for Movers? Are you excited? Yes. How about Johnny? What are you doing, Johnny? Okay, let's start, Johnny. You can unmute now. Who is the first? Who is the early bird? Are you the early bird? Johnny or Sally? Who is the early bird? Who is the first come to class?
I don't know.
Sally. Okay, Sally. Please read
No, it's me.
Oh, Johnny, you are the first. Okay, and Sally, you are the second. And third is Mike. Okay, the first will have. Okay, wait. I will also add you, Mike. I also add you to our new team. Yes, team.
Teacher, why it's not on me?
I will make. Please wait. You just arrived. Okay, what do we have? Okay, Mike.
Behave.
Yes. We have a new team.
My chair.
I add you. Oh, is there mommy, Mike? Thank you, mommy, for having Mike in my class. Thank you so much. Oh, there's your mommy.
Yes, my mommy is there.
Yes. Hello, mommy. How are you? Okay, I will add you, Mike. Okay, please wait. I can't see you. Can you see? Oh, there. Okay, here. You're now. Oh, your monsters are cute. Look at for Sally. Sally, your monster's color pink.
Oh, I see it's not cute.
Do you like your monster?
No.
Do you like your monster?
Yes.
Sally, it's cute.
Yeah. No, I see it's not cute.
Oh, how about Mike's monster? Wow, it looks like a reindeer. Color green reindeer. Okay, let's have for Johnny. Oh, Johnny! Wow, you have a scales and blue dots. Why you have
You
a
like
long
a
lashes? Johnny, why you have a long lashes?
You have ears rabbit.
Oh, let's see your score last time. For Johnny is 893 and Mike is 794. Now I will edit this for points. I will edit this later. So
Teacher,
class,
where is that?
I don't know where is Jack. Let's see. Let's wait when Jack will come to the class. Okay, let's start. Sally, Johnny, and Mike. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, please read aloud the title. Sally. Fun for movers.
Fun for movers. Unit 1 was us. We moving.
Watch us. We're moving.
Was were.
Watch us. We're moving.
Was us were moving.
Very good. Okay, fun for movers. Unit 1. Watch us. We're moving. Now let's start. Now let's have our first word. Sally. Let's learn new vocabulary. Johnny and Mike. Oh, please, no writing to the board, please. Okay. Now let's have the first picture. What is this, Sally?
Hop.
Hop. Yes, repeat after me, correct. Hop. Hop.
Hop. Hop.
Johnny, hop.
Hop,
Hop.
hop,
Hop.
Mike,
Hop.
hop.
hop,
Hop.
hop,
Good job. Next.
hop,
Johnny, what is this?
It's skate.
Skate. Repeat after me. Very good. Skate.
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 Mike, skate.
Skate.
Skate. Sally,
Skate.
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 Good job.
Skate.
Now let's have the
Skate.
next. Mike, what is this, Mike?
Skip.
Skip. Good job. Skip. Repeat after me.
Skip.
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 Skip. Mike, skip.
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 Johnny, skip.
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 Sally, skip. Skip. Good job. Okay, now I have a question. What is hop? What is hop, Johnny?
Ôi, giận đi, mới buổi đầu tiên mà đã thế
What
rồi.
is hop? Yes, jumping is other terms of hop. Now, what is skate, Sally? What is skate? What is skate? For example, we are in a ice. We are ice skating. Skate. Skate in an ice. Okay, next. What is the other term of skip, Mike? What is the other term of skip?
Skip is like skip. Skip.
Yes, jumping rope. Skip. Skip. Good job, class. Well done. Is everything clear? Is everything clear, Sally, Johnny, and Mike? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Now let's proceed to the next page.
Skip.
Now let's have this. What is this, Mike?
Walk.
Walk. Good job. Okay, repeat after me.
Walk.
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 Next,
Walk.
Sally, what is this?
Jump.
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 Very good. Now, Johnny.
Jump.
Next. Dance. Nice job.
Dance.
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 Okay, repeat after me, Sally.
Walk.
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 Mike.
Walk. Walk.
Mike.
Walk.
Mike.
Walk.
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 Walk. Johnny. Walk.
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 Đấy
Do you
ra.
have a notebook,
cái đấy
class?
nữa.
Do you have a notebook? Please
No.
take notes of these words. Mike, Johnny, and Sally. Put it on your notebook. Do you have your own English notebook? So it helps your vocabularies and remember the words that we have learned today. Now, what do we have here? Sally? Jump.
Jump. Jump.
Jump. Jump.
Johnny? Johnny? Jump.
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 Jump. Mike?
Jump.
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 Jump. Sally?
Dance.
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 Johnny?
Dance.
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 Dance. Mike?
Dance.
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 Dance. What do you know about walk, Sally?
Hết rồi. Đừng có cầm cái gì trong tay.
What do you know about walk? Okay, what is walk? How about, okay,
Tay gọi là-
walk is like a movement of our feet. Walk.
Ra này nó-
Yes, anything else? How about jump? What is jump, Mike? What is jump?
Is is jump
Yes, what is jump?
is mean if we
Okay, push oneself off a surface. Yes, jump. How about dance, Johnny? What is dance?
sing
Dance, what is dance?
Đừng có nhìn chỗ khác.
sing
No, that is all. That is the other
Nói thành lại.
movement, singing. Dance
Chọn
is a
ai thì em
movement
làm.
to our body. Dance. Okay, very good. Is everything clear? Is everything clear, Sally, Johnny, Mike? Do you
Yeah.
understand clearly my voice?
yeah
Okay, how about Johnny and Mike?
yeah
Okay, thank you. Let's proceed to the next.
Dance.
Now what we have here, Johnny, what is the first picture?
run
Run. Very good. Repeat after me.
Run.
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 Run. Mike,
Run.
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 Sally,
Run.
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 Am I speaking too fast or just okay? Mike,
Run.
run.
run
Run.
Sally, run.
Run.
Chào bạn ơi cái gì
Run. Now let's have the
Run.
next. What is this, Mike? What is this?
roller skate
Very good. This is a roller skate. Repeat after me, Mike.
Roller
Roller
skate.
skate.
Chắc cô cho đi ra ngoài.
Đi ra đây.
Mike? Oh, where are you going, Mike?
Làm sao?
Johnny,
Làm
what are
sao?
you doing? Oh, don't hide, Johnny. We have a lesson. Where is Mike? Mike, where are you, Mike? Mike. Where is Mike? Now, Johnny, repeat after me.
Roller skate.
Roller
Roller skate.
roller skate
Sally, roller
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 skate.
skate roller
Roller
skate
skate.
Good job.
Roller skate.
Now, what do we have here, Sally?
I skate
Okay, wait for a little, said Mike. Wait for me a little. Ice skate. Very good. Repeat after me.
Ice
Ice
skate.
skate.
Ice
Ice
skate.
skate.
I skate
Johnny,
Ice
ice
skate.
skate.
Ice
Ice
skate.
skate.
Nhìn như thế mà
I skate
thay đổi.
Good job. Mike, ice
Ice
skate.
skate.
I skate
Ice
skate.
skate.
I skate
Well done. Now, what is ice skate, Mike?
it's a skate on the ice
Yes, you are skating on an ice. Have you tried skating on an ice?
no
Not yet. How about Johnny,
in
Sally?
Vietnam it not have ice
Oh, but maybe there is like ice skating. For example, in an amusement park or mall. How about Johnny? Have you tried ice skating before?
yeah
Yes or no?
yeah
Yes. Oh, where? Where did you try to ice skating? Where? Do you remember, Johnny? Hello, John. What are you doing, Johnny? Look at Mike. Mike is focused to our lesson. Uh, what are you doing, Johnny? Okay, show me your face. Maybe you're eating. Do you have food? Okay, how about Sally? What is have you tried ice skating before?
No.
Oh, not yet. Not yet. Now let's have roller skate. What is roller skate, Johnny? What is your roller skate?
Is
Is what is roller skate? Roller skate is a wheel. Yes, a wheel that we move on the land is a roller skate. How about run? What is run, Sally?
roller skate.
Oh, have you tried to roller skate before?
No.
Oh, not yet. Okay, very good. How about run? What is run, Sally? What is run? Run is run is a movement. Yes, that is a cardio exercise. Run. Okay, good job, class. Is everything clear so far? Do you have any questions? Is that okay? Okay, thank you. Let's proceed to the next
Ice
page.
skate.
Now we have, what do we have here? Okay, question. I have a question. What's he doing? What's he doing, Mike?
He is climbing a tree.
Yes, he's climbing on a tree, correct? Next. What's she doing, Johnny?
She is she is
She is?
skating.
Yes, correct. She is skipping. Next. What are they doing, Sally?
They are walk.
Yes, they are
Johnny,
walking.
what are you doing? Don't
Who?
join in. Don't join in the.
What is,
Johnny!
why? Oh, Johnny, please don't write on our. Okay, wait. No more writing, please. We have a lesson. Maybe later we can draw something later. We can have an activity later. Okay, they are walking, correct? Very good, Sally. And very good, Johnny. Well done, Mike. Now we are done. Wait, I will take a picture of this for my homework. I have also a homework. Wait, I send it to our Zalo. Oh, where is it? There. Okay, here. Next. Oh, where are we now? Now we are done. Let's have listen and draw lines. Now, please look at the picture, class. Listen and draw lines. I will give your numbers random. Number 1 is Sally. You are number 1. Number 2 is Johnny. Number 3 is Mike. Number 4 is me. And number 5 is Sally. Okay, class. Sally, Johnny, Mike, me, and Sally. Are you ready, class? I will play the audio. Please listen carefully. The audio starts now.
1A. Watch us. We're moving. Listen and draw lines.
Jack's good at jumping. He's really great. And look, Sue's hopping on square number 8. Can you see Jack? Can you see Sue?
Yes, I can. Sue's dress is blue.
Jane's roller skating. She's going round and round. And watch Sam skipping in our new playground. Can you see Jane? Can you see Sam? Are you looking?
Yes, I am.
Dan's good at dancing. 1, 2, 3. And there's Pat. He's funny. He's climbing our tree. Can you see Dan? Can you see Pat?
Yes, I can. Pat's wearing a hat.
Tom's very good at running. He runs all day. But Jill likes walking and talking with her best friend May. Jump, hop, skate, skip, dance, climb or run.
We all love moving and having lots of fun.
Okay, thank you for listening. Now, question. Are you ready, Sally? Or do you want to listen one more time?
Yes.
Are you ready, Johnny? You're ready now?
Yeah.
How about Mike? Mike, are you ready, Mike? Oh, Sally, do you want to listen one more time? Or let's proceed to the question.
Oh.
Boy. Listen. Okay.
Okay, I will play one more time to make it sure your answers, class. Class, please listen carefully. Johnny, please listen carefully. And Mike, thank you.
1A. Watch us. We're moving. Listen and draw lines.
Jack's good at jumping. He's really great. And look, Sue's hopping on square number 8. Can you see Jack? Can you see Sue?
Yes, I can. Sue's dress is blue.
Jane's roller skating. She's going round and round. And watch Sam skipping in our new playground. Can you see Jane? Can you see Sam? Are you looking?
Yes, I am.
Dan's good at dancing. 1, 2, 3. And there's Pat. He's funny. He's climbing our tree. Can you see Dan? Can you see Pat?
Yes, I can. Pat's wearing a hat.
Tom's very good at running. He runs all day. But Jill likes walking and talking with her best friend May. Jump, hop, skate, skip, dance, climb or run.
We all love moving and having lots of fun.
Okay, very good. Now let's have question number 1. Okay. Jack is a jumping boy. Now, can you please draw lines? Where is Jack?
Jack's.
Okay, you can use your pen. I will allow you to use your annotation. Your okay.
Jack is Jack is Jack's jumping under the box.
Okay, where is Jack? Can you draw the line, Sally? Okay, that is Jack. Let's check your answer.
Yeah.
Very good. Now, let's have Johnny, number 2.
To a hopping girl.
Yes, Sue is and the hopping girl. Where is Sue? Can you please circle? Can you please circle?
To a blue dress.
Okay, the blue with the blue dress. Let's check. Correct. Wow. Now let's have Mike. Mike, why you look serious, Mike? Mike, number 3. Okay. Jane and the roller skating girl. Where is Jane?
There is a girl has a blue shirt and pink short and have a balloon.
Holding a balloon. Sue is the one who is roller skating with the blue t-shirt and pink short, holding a pink balloon. Yes, correct. My turn. Sam and a skipping girl, the one who is jumping. What okay, what is this?
Teacher
Jumping
is your
rope.
son.
Yes, my son is playing. Sorry. Okay, there. Sam. Next. Number 5, Sally. Dan and a dancing boy.
Dan wearing yellow t-shirts.
Yes, wearing t-shirt. Good job, class. You have answered it all correctly. Now I will take a picture of this. Please wait. This is my homework. Okay. Now we are done. Wait. I will send it here. Now, number 6. I'm sorry. There are number 6. Pat and a climbing boy. Okay, there. The climbing boy in the tree. There. Number 7, Sally. Tom and the running boy.
Tom wearing bag.
Okay. Wearing a bag. What color of a bag, Sally?
Is yellow.
Yellow bag. Correct. Next, number 8, Johnny, number 8.
Jill and working girl with J.R. cousin.
Yes. Where is Jill, Johnny?
Jill is white.
Yes, with a white t-shirt and a J t-shirt, a J letter on his t-shirt. Her. Oh, it's a girl. Her t-shirt. Correct. Next, Mike, number 9.
Okay. My and walking girl in and on the club. Is the
Mhm.
girl with a blue shirt and pink pants and black hair.
Yes, correct. Okay, that is May. Well done, class. Wait, I will send this to our group chat. That will be my reporting. Class, please bring always a notebook when we have a lesson, so you will still remember and practice our lessons even we don't have a class. Our schedule will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. How about on your teacher before, Sally? What is your schedule before? What is your schedule before, Sally? Monday, Wednesday, and Friday?
Monday.
Okay, also Monday. Same time. Same time. Okay, very good, Sally. Now, let's proceed to the next. Do you have any questions, class? Do you have any questions, Johnny, Mike, Sally?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, what is your question? What is your question, Mike? Optimus Prime? Ah. Oh, you are shy, Mike. Oh, you're shy to Sally. Oh, okay. Now, let's have section B. Please look at the picture, class. Now we have read and write names. Please look at the picture. Tom, Jane, Sam, May and Jill, Sue, Don, and Jack, and Pat. Now, I will give your names random. Okay, Sally, Johnny, me, and okay. Wait. Where's Mike? Okay, Mike. This is yours, Mike. Mike, and this is me. Now, class, please read aloud. Hello, Sally. Where did you go, Sally? Oh, if you want to go to the toilet or to the comfort room, it's okay, no problem. Just tell me, teacher, can I go to the toilet, please? That's okay, no problem. Okay, Sally, your turn.
Yeah.
Jack.
And
Good
yes.
morning. Sorry. Good at jumping.
Jack good at jumping. He really great. And looks sure hopping on square number 8.
Yeah, sure, correct.
Then rolling skate. He going run and run.
Okay, very good. Jane is roller skating. How about Johnny? Your turn, Johnny.
What?
And watch.
And what? And watch a.
Who is skipping? Who is skipping, Johnny?
Jane.
Yes. Oh, no, it's Sam. Sam is skipping.
Sam.
Next. Sam skipping on our new playground? And what's the next answer, Johnny?
Yeah.
Who is good at exercising? Who? Johnny. Okay, it's Dan. Where is Dan? Here, dancing. Next, Mike. And there's
And then
and there's climbing.
And then
Who is climbing on tree? Yes, it's Pat. And who is very good at running? Who?
Tom.
Tom. Next, but likes walking and talking. It's Jill. And with May. That is our answer, class. Now, please read aloud. Johnny, please read aloud.
That's good at jumping. He really great at look through hopping on square number 8. Then roller skate. She going round and watch Sam skipping in our new playground. Dan good at
Exercising.
exercising 1, 2, 3. And they Pat, he funny. He climbing our tree.
3.
3. Tom very good at running. He run all day.
Runs all day.
Run all day. But you like walking and
Talking.
talking with your best friend.
May.
Friend may jump, hop, skip, cycle, climb, or run. We all love moving and having lots of fun.
Very good, Johnny. Okay, Sally's turn.
Jay good at jumping. He really great.
He's really great.
He's really great. And look, shoe hopping on square number 8. Jen roller skating. She going round and round. And was Sam skipping in our new playground. Then goes as it is
Exercising.
exciting. 1, 2, 3. And dear Pat, he funny. He climbing our tree. Tom very good at running. He running all day. But you like walking and talking with her best friend May. Jump, hop, skip. It's
Exercise.
exercise, climb or run. We all love moving and having lots of fun.
Yes,
Lots
good job. Very good, Sally. Now, Mike, your turn, Mike.
That is just good
Good.
at jumping. He's really great and looks so happy on the screen number 8. Then roller skating.
Roller skating.
She going round and round. Then
And
watch sounds.
watch Sam skipping.
Was some skipping in our new playground. Then good at exercise. 1, 2, 3. And their path. He funny. He climbing up. Tom very good at running. He's running.
Oh,
Running.
oh, where are you, Mike?
Runs all day, but you like walking and taking with the best friend. May jump, hop, skip, exercise, climb, or run. We all love moving and having lots of fun.
Very good. Okay, good job, Mike.
Teacher, may I go out?
Okay, go. Go, Mike.
Teacher, may
Who
I
wants to?
go out?
Okay, go, Sally. Take your time. How about Johnny? Do you want to go to the toilet? Go to the toilet. Okay, go to the toilet, Johnny. Why are you so serious, Johnny? What are you doing? Johnny, what are you doing? Why are you serious? Oh, do you know, Johnny, where is Jack? I can't see Jack. Where is Jack?
No.
Oh. Okay, you can go. I go to the toilet.
No.
No, I know. Hello. Okay, welcome back. Now we are done with our section. Oh, we have few minutes left.
Yep.
Don't worry, we will have a game later. Now let's listen to the teacher and draw the 4 things in the picture. Okay, what are the 4 things that in the picture?
Em không làm bạn.
Jane, can you please draw me a Can you please draw me Can you please draw me another sheep? And Mike, can you please draw me a monkey on a tree? And Johnny, can you please draw me?
Easy peasy.
It's easy. Monkey on a tree, Mike. Sally,
No, I mean monkey in the tree.
Sally, can you draw me another sheep?
Wow.
And Johnny, can you draw me
Monkey.
another dog? Beside of the dog and beside of the sheep and monkey on a tree. Mike, why are you serious, Mike?
Huh?
Optimus Pride.
No.
Oh, Sally is also serious, Sally. Don't worry, Sally. We're having fun. Smile, Sally. Smile. Smile. Sally is serious now. Maybe Johnny is sleepy. Oh, what are you doing, Johnny? You draw a dog. Not like that. You draw another dog.
Soon.
Remove that. Remove that, Johnny. Can you please draw me a dog, Johnny, beside of the dog, and a sheep and a monkey? Where is the monkey, Mike? I can't see the monkey.
But it is too small. I don't can write a monkey.
Oh, you can't write. Maybe you can make another football. Can you draw me another ball?
Okay.
Okay.
Here. Many boy in here.
Where is your dog, Johnny? Where is your dog? Ow,
The
ow.
dog is
Oh, now, Sally. Are you done, Sally?
Teacher, I make really many balls.
Wow, that's a lot. Just only one ball. I need only one ball, Mike. I don't need many. How about Sally? Are you done, Sally? Oh my God, who erased Sally's drawing?
what?
My
Daddy.
God. Okay, we are done. Now find the missing oh, we have few minutes left. Sorry, class. We will have a game.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's have a game. What do
Yeah.
you like? Godzilla?
No.
Ít lòng chơi biếm ơi.
Do you want to watch a Godzilla?
Yeah.
I miss you guys. How was your vacation?
Teacher.
Oh, wait. I will show. Wait, please wait. Oh, there. This time.
I like.
Okay. This time, we are team 1, Sally and me. And team 2 is Johnny and Mike. Okay, Sally, please choose our number. What number, Sally?
Em phải khổ chưa nè.
I can't hear you. You can unmute now.
Number 4.
Number 4. What is it?
Easy.
Dragon?
Teacher, who is team 1?
Me and
Team
Sally.
1 is Sally and teacher.
Yes.
Who is
Sally,
Sally?
this is dragonfly. Yes, dragonfly.
No.
Next.
Number
Johnny.
11.
11. What is 11?
Butterfly.
Wow, butterfly. Next, Sally, what number?
Number 1.
Number 1. What is it?
Is
What is it?
easy.
Water. 2 picture, 1 word. Water.
Easy.
What fruit is this, Sally? I can't hear you.
Why are you so stubborn?
Oh, don't say bad words, Mike.
It's
Okay.
easy.
Yes. Maybe it's new game for her.
Watermelon.
Yes, correct. It's a watermelon. Next.
Number
2. Okay, what is number 2, guys? Yes, football. Next.
Wow.
What number?
8.
Number
Number
8. What is it, Sally?
Oh no.
Easy.
Hot. What is this? 2 pictures combined. Hot dog. Yes, hot dog. Next, Mike and Johnny.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Skateboard.
Skateboard. Correct. Good job. Next.
Number 30.
13. Oh, give points to team 2. Okay, we only give
25.
them. No. We only give you 5 points. Okay, our turn. Your turn, Mike and
Number
John.
7.
7. Oh, Sally. What number? 16, 15, 14?
16. 16.
16. Okay. Snow. Snow.
Snowman.
Snow. Yes, correct. Okay, snowman. Next.
12.
12. Oh, double point.
Double point.
Okay, next, Sally.
Number 10.
Number 10. What is it? Straw. This is a straw. Look. It's a straw. We sip on a cup. Straw. Oh, where is it? Number? What's number is it?
Number 10.
10. Straw. What is this? What fruit is this?
It's a berry.
Blueberry.
Okay, it's a strawberry. Next.
Number 6.
6.
iPhone.
iPhone. Next.
Number
Sally.
14.
14. What is it?
What is
Cup?
that? You don't know?
Yes, we will help her because this is her first
It's a
time.
cup. It's a cupcake.
Okay, cup and a cake. Cupcake. Okay, no saying the answer, Mike.
Okay.
Okay, next. Team
Number
2.
5.
Number 5.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Correct. Oh, I think this will be a tie. Now,
Yes.
Number 9.
9. Oh, we take 10 points. Oh my
Number
God.
15.
Yes, who do you think will be the winner, guys?
I don't know.
I think we are the winner. Oh,
Keyboard.
keyboard. Oh my God.
And that's another. You know what the fuck?
Yes, Jack and Mike is the winner. Congratulations, class. Now let's have a reward. Okay, we are a new team because we are now having a movers class. We are, oh no, not this. Other Mike, not this. This one. Okay. Wow, Mike, you look cute. Look, your shirt is yellow. You're wearing a yellow. Wow. That's why
wearing
it's
a yellow shirt.
compatible. And then John is also wearing a green. Look. Is that a coincidence? Sally, look at Sally. It's cute.
But
Fluffy.
it's not
Oh,
color.
but her chair is color red. Oh.
No,
Is
it's
that
a jacket.
Is that a jacket, Sally? Okay, class, let's have a reward. Okay, wait, I will get my prize. Okay, class. Now for our top 1. Yes, top 1. Wait. Reward. Thank you for being on time, Johnny and Sally. Doing, oh, no homework yet, helping each others. on task. Yes, participating in our lesson. Persistence. Remember the last lesson? Oh, no, not top 1. Okay, teamwork. Yes, teamwork. You're helping each other. And working hard. Thank you. Class, our new classmate is Sally. So be good to Sally, okay? She will be the only princess in our class.
No,
Why? You want to be a princess, Mike?
no. I'm not a girl.
Oh, okay.
I just a prince.
Oh, you will be the prince and Sally will be the princess. Wow.
And
Okay.
Johnny too.
Yes, Johnny will be also the prince. I will give for top 1 for, yes, for Mike. Mike, this is for you. What is this? What is this, Mike?
It's a T-Rex.
Yes, a T-Rex. Now let's give top 2 for Sally. Yes, good job, Sally. And I'm happy to have you in my class. Yes, this is for you, Sally. Yes, look, Sally. Do you like it? What is this?
This cat.
Yes, a cute cat. And our top 3 is Johnny. Johnny. Very good, Johnny. Where is for Johnny? Okay. Okay, this is for you, Johnny.
Johnny
A
prince.
turtle. Yes. Nice to
Johnny
see you
is a
again,
prince.
class.
I'm a prince. And
I'm so happy that you
Sally
reached
is
the
a
movers
princess.
class. Thank you so much, Mike. Thank you, Johnny and Mommy. Thank you, Mommy, Johnny's mommy. And thank you, Mike, for having you again in my class. Yes. Oh, that's all for today. Yes, you can sleep now. Thank you, Sally. See you next class, Sally.
I need to make my homework in school.
Okay, I will send the homework later.
No,
Enjoy your
in
night.
my real school.
Oh, real school. Okay. You will finish your homework. Okay, good night, Sally. Good night, Mike. I love you.
Good night.
Bye. Good night.